真好。
又是一年春来到，
春来到，春来
听见
到。
我在高歌就知道。
我来向大家说声新年好，
新年好呀，新年好呀，
新年好。
Okay, we need this.
Excuse me. You hired us for the Chinese New Year, so what do we do now?
We're finished.
Okay, we need to rub that and clean up and tidy.
Oh, well, I'm a god. He's a fictional character, so
I'm the goddess.
I don't want to do it.
Oh,
Let's go check out where we're going to go on holiday.
Yes, holiday sounds great.
No, God, come back. We need you, God.
Okay. Can you believe those guys asking us to help them clean up? I mean, we're gods. Jeez.
I know.
So,
It's
anyway,
boring.
what do you want to do?
Yeah. Let's go on holiday.
Okay.
Where do you want to go?
You're the wife. You decide.
I want to go somewhere warm with a beach since it's winter here.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's see.
insert. Ooh,
What?
it's not working.
What?
I think something wrong with the Wi-Fi or my laptop.
Okay. Monkey King, do you know anyone who can help us with the Wi-Fi?
Help you with Wi-Fi? I can help protecting others, like my relatives here. I don't know about Wi-Fi.
This guy's useless.
What should we do?
I don't know. I feel like we're
should we
stuck
do?
here now. Ugh. Okay. What is this Wi-Fi? Oh my gosh. Ask her. Ask her to help.
你好，我们的这个 WiFi 不够用不了了，你可以帮我们吗？
可以去山上找一个穿黑衣服的人，他可以帮你。
去山上找一个黑
Oh,
色
what
衣
does
服
that
的
mean?
人。So you go up to the mountain and then find a person in black.
Okay. He has power. Oh, tell her thank you. I give her all my money.
好的。
好的，谢谢。Oh my God, there's a Mandarin team. They're gonna make us help. We need an exit. All these dumplings. Sure you still have your money. I gave that lady all my money. Oh, so tired. We're at the top of this place.
Okay.
All dark. It's all black here, so it must be that person wearing black here.
Okay.
Okay. Excuse me, man in
Hello.
black. Oh, he's very handsome, just like me.
Thank you. Who are you?
We're gods. We can do so many things, but we have no idea how to deal with what is this Wi-Fi?
What is Wi-Fi? Who
Oh,
is Wi-Fi?
Sure.
We need help with it.
Sure, I can help you with that.
Yeah, we just want to go on holiday.
Uh,
Oh, you can help us with the Wi-Fi?
Yep.
oh.
So much better than the Monkey King.
Oh my God! Thank you.
Welcome.
Say, we could use somebody like you. You seem to be really good with this magic screen stuff and this thing called Wi-Fi. Maybe you can chronicle our adventures, you know? Call it...
The Tide Show?
That's a good name!
I know all about it.
Okay, see ya!
Come with us if you want to join us on Thursday, February 26th at 12:30 on the 6th floor. We're back. Come and join us on 26th, Thursday, February, 12:30.
He's a fictional figure, so I don't think we want to tidy up.